Okay, welcome back to another cooking episode here. This is just a sandwich here. We're making a tuna melt, or a tuna fish sandwich, or a grilled tuna fish sandwich, what have you. So I got my little grill here, griddle, turn it up to about 350. Now you can use butter on the stamp bread. I use mayonnaise because it's just easy to spread, and if you use butter, it's a lot of butter to cover these, and I like the nice coating on all of it. So both sides, mayonnaise. Boom, turn up to about 350. Okay, in here I got mayonnaise, a little bit of mustard. I cut up some pickles. These aren't sweet pickles, just dill pickles. And then I'm going to put in some tuna fish, unstrained, just right in there. I like kind of juicy, not kind of dry, so it depends on your taste there. Later on, I'm done. Put some, throw some cheese on there, and maybe some tomatoes. Whatever you want, you can do that. So I'm going to go ahead and add the tuna fish here. It comes out in chunks here. Okay. Come on. All right. Gonna mix that up. Try to get the big chunks gone. Some tough tuna fish there. Mix it in with your, you can add like onions too if you want to dice up some onions and throw that in there. It's tasty, gives you a nice little crunch, some flavor. But right now I'm just going with the pickles stuff. Let's get that mixed up here. Okay, so just getting a little golden on one side. I guess I could have cooked those a little longer, but that's alright. However you like your bread. So add a few more pickles in there. I like the pickle to tuna fish ratio a little higher. And now we're going to add some cheese here. This is just a regular blend of like cheddar cheese and some mozzarella or whatever. You can put it on both sides if you want. You can put it on one side. You can put it on half the side. I like some cheese, some cheesy cheese. We'll let that, you know what, let's do both sides. Why not? Dun, 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 dun. You can put ranch on this if you want. Just all kinds of ketchup, a little bit of barbecue sauce. You can put some potato chips in here for some crunch, tortilla chips, whatever you want to do. It's your creation, right? So that's what we got going on so far. Cheese is melting good there, and then we're going to throw on some of our tuna fish here just as soon as that's melted. And I like tomatoes on mine, so I'm going to have some tomatoes and finish off the lettuce. The lettuce is getting a little old there, so instead of throwing it out, we'll just finish it off. And I'm probably going to put some ranch on there too, just for fun, because I like ranch. So while we're waiting for that to melt the cheese there, give us a couple minutes. Alright, and cheese is melted. Threw the tuna fish on there. Yeah, it's looking pretty delicious. Just gonna grab some lettuce here. Mine's gonna have some tomatoes, so I'm gonna throw some tomatoes on first. How about that? Throw some lettuce over the top. I'll take the not bad lettuce, I'll take the red lettuce for myself. I like the lettuce on there, gives a nice little crunch. Okay, and we got a little bit of ranch here. I'm just gonna put a few lines of ranch on mine. Why not, right? Who doesn't like ranch? And there we go. Go ahead and put our flip that over. Now, how's that look for amazing? Maybe you guys are hungry. It's pretty delicious if I don't say so myself. Okay. Go ahead and cut that in half. Okay, so I just took a bite. Pretty delicious. Tuna fish is nice and moist. cut this one in half and go serve it up. Thanks for watching how to make tuna melt. You can use different kinds of bread. This is this is a sourdough bread. Yeah, it's pretty amazing. So, thanks for watching this video, everyone. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time with cooking with Etpc.